How to use Todoist on desktop and mobile. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. While both desktop and on your mobile application, the interface is different. However, using it is pretty similar and easy. Now you can see on desktop, you can either get the Todoist application or you can access the web browser, that is app.todoist.com. And similar for the mobile, you can either get mobile application or access it through the browser. Now here you can see you can access your profile and settings from here. If you head into settings, you'll be able to change themes, subscriptions, sidebar settings, quick ads, productivity, and many other options. Here you can create tasks, view through filters and labels, create projects, and such. On mobile as well, if you want to get the mobile application, you can get the Todoist mobile application. Now, since I'm here on PC, I'll just show you the application here. So this is the application that you can get, and you can see using it is pretty simple and similar as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues.